Welcome to episode 4 of the making of the safety covers. In this episode I will be finished welding all covers as well as cleaning up the 2 drive shaft covers. Wherever there is a thicker piece of steel behind the sheet metal, I can make longer welds. But where 2 pieces of sheet metal meet, I have to be very careful not to burn a hole. I usually weld dots in that case and skipping a few centimeters in between to prevent warping as well. Welding head to tail helps preventing distortion due to welding. If you are interested in merchandise of the project, go to our page, of which a link is in the description. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. For grinding I use a sanding disc with 36 grit, but the quality of these was not so great and I ended up sandblasting myself most of the time. Later I switched to 80 grit, which also lasts longer and gives a final result. Hope to see you at Millitracks 2020, where we will drive around with the Nashorn.